Hi guys, welcome back to my business with nostyle.com. So you must be wondering that what I am doing here, because you know what, this video is all about me. I'm the guest, I'm the center of attention for this video. So the rest of the things Daniel is gonna explain you. But come. Daniel is here. You tell them, explain them. What's the video about?
Welcome back to my business with nostyle.com. So yeah guys, today is having his birthday party, but his birthday is tomorrow. So we're gonna make his hair. We're gonna sew it, guys.
So yes, this is the first time I'm gonna install a wig on myself, and who can do it better than her? The wig queen! The queen of hair!
He got a burgundy hair. How many inches was this?
It's 22 inches.
22 inches.
And I was very disappointed with that.
Yeah.
You know, I'm habitual to
I
having
told you, you
wig.
should have told me.
I tried asking her, but she was too busy, you know.
My lips are so dry, guys.
Her lips are dry. And my lips? What about my lips?
Yes.
Which lips? Tell us.
I don't blame this guy.
See, I do not blame myself.
Okay.
By the way, Diamond,
Where is all your hair?
tell me.
There you go.
Tell me that how, like, when did you decide to open your channel?
Why?
I want to know. I want to give them something.
How or when?
When and how you decided to, like, oh, I should do it.
Actually, it's been, let's say, a couple of years.
Yeah.
Be like, why don't try to YouTube and stuff like that? And then people have been telling me, friends, be like, oh, why don't you start a YouTube channel? Blah blah blah. Then when I came here, I was like, you know, I was
Life changing something.
not life changing, but like, you know, I'm here in a new country,
Yeah.
so I might have a lot of content to do. So why not open
A YouTube channel.
a YouTube channel?
But yeah, with the new people and everything, you don't know, so it's sometimes difficult.
Yeah.
What gave you the motivation to do it?
Me, my motivation.
Yeah, your own motivation.
Yes.
Okay. I thought, you know, some angels came and they gave you motivation.
Yeah.
That's a secret talking system.
God from
God.
above came by himself and told me, my daughter, it's time for you to start YouTube channel.
No, sir, don't come. My business. What is that?
Yeah.
Yes.
This sticky is not sticky.
It is. It's just not that sticky. Enjoy your birthday. You know what you should do, I guess? You shouldn't stick them upward, you should stick them down.
Yeah, but then they're
downwards.
gonna come out the week.
Because you know.
Let me do my thing.
Okay.
Please.
I'm saying. Okay.
When the master is talking, elaborating, do you know speak? Thank you.
Okay. It's cloudy today, but it shouldn't rain. Yeah, it's not gonna rain.
Guys,
Okay.
today is a no day for me. I feel like doing nothing.
But she has to do a lot of things.
Yeah.
After this, she's helping me to decorate outside.
What?
Yeah. Are you gonna spray this down?
Can you just bend? You see, this is the problem. I do not want him to be even see what I'm doing right now.
Okay. No,
Because
it's
you're overstamping too much. Put your head where?
okay.
Bend. Your head, look away.
Oh shit. Well, oh no, you know, because that's itchy kind of. Because my scalp is very sensitive.
Oh my god, then you can't wear a wig.
Oh my god, don't say that. Oh wow. It's too cold.
There are some people when they wear wigs, they start having bumps in their forehead.
Don't say that.
It's true. And everybody's skin is not the same.
Oh my god.
So I don't know. It's you that have to.
Bumps? The white ones?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You're scaring me now. She's just taking a piss.
No, I'm serious.
Oh, okay. We'll see. God help. God is with me. You know, see what I did today?
What is
Not
it?
today, yesterday. It's, I did this yesterday, so you know, I have to be clean. It's too much heat for me. You know, I haven't used a hair dryer in a long time. Like in... Oh my god. like that. I do that a lot.
You see how it's open.
As that I'm saying, just leave this.
Yes, finally.
Oh wow. She stretched my eyebrows. Oh, she covered my eyes.
But yeah, guys. So far, how is your experience here in the USA?
I don't like it.
Wow.
To be honest, I love UK. I will go back in a heartbeat. Like you do this, I'll go back. I enjoy the work. I love working here. I love the work. I don't mind doing at all. I don't mind doing that at all. But it's just that some things are very depressing and just too much. Yeah. What about you? You tell me.
Anyway. Anyway.
I know, right? So first
I'm
of all,
not lying. I'm not gonna lie. I
Yeah.
love America. It's nice, but not here in Greenwich.
yeah, it's not in
Not
here.
here in Greenwich.
No,
Greenwich.
it's shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Greenwich is shit, but New York and outside is amazing. See, that's why I don't like this place. See,
It's depressing.
yeah, it's so depressing. It gets too depressing that oh my god. Plus we work 6 days a week. So we only have 1 day off. Usually I only have 1 day off. She sometimes have 2 days off, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? No! It's too hard! Oh shit! Oh my god. Too much. Oh shit. Hi guys.
Oh, you know.
You know what? You can do one thing. You can
see?
flip the
Oh my God! You see this?
frontal.
No, this is not frontal.
Yeah.
So you just made me pull the glue all year for no reason.
That's why you should have seen the wig.
Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, you are the big expert. I told you, you are the big expert. I'm not. Just be careful. Ultimate.
Why can I just cut
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Can I do this part? Oh yes. It is very sticky. So Diamond, what else? What are your plans for the rest of the year? What are you gonna do here in America?
What? Make money.
After that, like what? Are you gonna go travel around America or not?
I want to see other places apart from Greenwich.
Like what place you wanna go and visit? Yeah. Oh wow! Thank you so much, Diamond. The best.
Yeah, at the end of the day, it's just here. So,
You'll be fine.
I want to go to Miami.
Oh yeah.
I want to go to Cali.
Kelly? Oh Kelly. Yeah, I think
I want to go
understand.
to
South America.
Carolina.
Oh, South Carolina.
Atlanta.
Omeo, and this. I cannot understand a single word.
Honestly, you don't know him. Davido. That is our goat. Afrobeat goat.
God.
Yeah, it's goat.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Oh my god, this is so noted. Let's just see like we're gonna do. It looks like a durag.
Looks like what?
A durag.
What is that?
You don't know a durag?
What is that? No.
The thing that you put on your head for waves, to make waves.
I don't know. I don't use that shit.
Gnarly. Come on, durag.
Damn,
No. See this.
Oh yeah. I don't know. I do not wear that. But yeah, I've seen that a
Yeah,
lot.
you need to wear it before you know it. Need to hide and wear it.
I'm not wearing that.
Eh?
I'm gonna buy it. It looks nice.
What's that?
That's in the wrap.
Durag.
Yeah.
It looks good. Which I'm gonna buy. Sexy.
That thing,
Yeah.
especially on me. Naughty girl. Hey. So yes, I was saying. Oh my god! Do not cut my hair. What are you talking
Have you ever
about?
cheated?
Huh?
Have you ever cheated?
On somebody? Or in exam?
No, somebody, of course, the best.
No, but my exes, yes, they have cheated on me.
Aw.
5 times.
What was the worst that
The-
they have done to you?
Well, I was sleeping here. My ex was sleeping here, and there was a guy sleeping here, and he fucked him.
Huh?
Yes,
You were there.
yes, I was there.
And
And that was my birthday 5 years ago.
how did you know? Like, when you were not
He
sleeping?
said I was sleeping and I heard. And then he said, "Oh, look what I'm doing." And
Man!
I was 14 years old, I guess, that time. So no, that was 6 years. No, 7 years ago. No, how
You were so young.
Yeah, I was so young. 14. I was 14. I was 15, I guess. 14. I was 14 years. So
Like kids.
it's been 8 years. Oh yeah, it has been 8 years now.
You're supposed to be focusing on books.
Huh?
You were supposed to be
This
focusing
is
on
no. This is
studies.
yeah. I know, but this was nothing. The next time I was sleeping here, he was sleeping here, and there was a girl who was sleeping here, and then he asked me, "Do you want to fuck her?"
Ah,
With him.
at 14.
14 and a half, I guess.
Yeah.
I was like, what? I was like, wow. That was amazing.
Amazing, wow. You were too young for that. You wouldn't be thinking of that. How old was he?
He was 3 years older than me. So I was 14, then he was 17.
Oh,
No, he was 18. He was 18. Hi. Hi. Say hi to our channel. Come. That's my boyfriend for tonight. Come. Come. Come right now. He's shy, but he, he's cute. He's cute, but he's very weird. Krishna.
It's not weird.
She is. One day, that guy asked me, when are you gonna stop being gay? I was like, what?
I like him because he always says whatever he feels. Free spirits.
Sometimes it's very weird. Like, what? What did you say? When I'm gonna stop being gay? You see that? No, never. This is just the beginning.
He's about to take over.
Oh, Uber?
You are about to take over.
Oh. See, this looks nice. This doesn't look bad at all right now. Oh my god. Oh my days. Oh, you don't want me to bring the foundation?
Yeah, bring it.
Not like this. I don't want anybody to see me like this. Before my birthday party.
But yeah, guys, let's take over.
I'm so hungry, I haven't eaten anything.
Why didn't you eat before?
I was working 7 a.m. I was working since 7 a.m.
Yeah, but you could take snack something. And you literally work in the fucking kitchen, man.
That's the saddest part. That I work in a kitchen and I don't eat anything. Because I don't eat most of the things. They had turkey and everything. I don't eat turkey. Even though I made a sandwich for Guillermo when he was leaving.
So why didn't you make a sandwich for yourself?
I didn't feel like eating sandwich. Like, fuck. I like it. It's not bad at all. And I told my mom as well,
What did she say?
I was like, I bought hair. I'm gonna wear it tonight. Like, okay, like, send me pictures. I go, okay, I'll send you pictures.
Yeah, like, did you do like a come out?
No, she doesn't know.
She doesn't know.
No, she doesn't know. She still doesn't know that I'm.
Really?
Nobody knows. Only my close friend knows. So be careful.
She said you told her you bought a wig and she didn't.
Short hair.
Yeah, but still she didn't think about something.
You're hurting my head.
Sorry. Do you think that she doesn't?
She might know, but we have never talked about this.
Maybe she's
We have never talked about this. I never told her
she's
personally.
waiting for you to.
Yeah, she's definitely waiting for me to tell her, but I don't think so. This is I can tell her right now.
I'm gonna put up your head there.
She took my happiness away. So yes, guys, tell us. You guys should like at least comment down and tell us like what kind of videos you want, so she can make it for you.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. So you should at least suggest something. What kind of videos do you wanna watch from her side, so she can make. She'll make it. I know. I'm here to motivate her.
What alert?
Huh?
Well, learned.
What is that?
Bro, I need to teach you some slangs. Yeah?
Obviously, I don't know slangs. I'm not from UK, I'm not from here, so I'm from India. I know Indian slang. Do you wanna know that?
So you've been wait, for how long have you been in the UK?
1 year. 11 months actually. 11 months
You
after.
don't know any slangs.
No.
Well, you know,
Because I don't have like British friends. Not a lot of British friends. I know some of them. I forgot. I've been out of country for 4 months now and I forgot.
So what have you learned from the American side now?
Nothing. I don't have American friends either. I only have. Mommy, if you're watching this, your son is gay. Sorry.
Imagine your mom says this. Mom says what will you do? Hey, Dad!
Oh, mommy, your son is gay. Ooh. Not like ooh, but yeah.
Don't say no.
Like I'm not too gay.
No.
It's just mood.
Don't say the mood.
This today is my mood is this. Tomorrow who knows what is it? What I'm gonna do. Oh, I should definitely keep my hair in front.
No, see, you don't have to be dragging with me. If I push your head back, you push your head back.
Okay.
I'm already tired.
Okay.
You're stressing me like this.
I thought you want me to hold my head
No.
as it is. Okay, I'm so sorry.
I've been pulling your head back.
Okay.
For so long, I'm tired of dragging with you. Oh, yeah.
So what are we gonna do now?
You're gonna glow it.
Glow it done. Glow that, honey. You have the right hair. So if I glow it, I can remove it tomorrow, right? Because since I'm going in New York.
Yeah?
I'm gonna go in New York.
You want to take it out tomorrow?
Maybe.
Yeah, I'm not going to waste my time and put this one. Because this is hot well. Going to just use the spray.
It holds well.
Yeah.
How for how long?
Hey, the one I had for my birthday, I had it for like 2 weeks.
Okay, it's fine. I'll do that.
Have you guys listened to Omalay's new song? His album is actually so lit. I've not heard the full album. The only 2 songs I've heard is Reason and Comfort, and I'm not with that. I mean, it's been on repeat.
By the way, guys, I also have a YouTube channel, but I don't.
It's no longer constant, so I don't even know why you're slacking.
What?
Why you slacking?
I'm not slacking.
Yes, you are.
I'm not slacking.
You're sleeping on yourself.
I just don't make videos anymore.
That's
I
okay.
used to. I want to make videos. Like,
What's stopping you?
huh?
What's stopping you?
The thing is, I want to be constant, and I know right now I cannot. The only thing is like I know I don't have the time to make the videos because I know you how you take out your time. So for me to take out the time and make videos is very difficult because I'm very lazy. I'm very lazy.
You need to come out of your comfort zone.
I'm not in my comfort. I'm already out of my comfort zone. This is not my comfort zone. This place, Greenwich, is not my comfort zone. I'm already very out of it. So New York City is my comfort zone. I feel very happy and like it just brings a smile on my face whenever I go to the city. Oh wow. Yes, that's the only place I want to live. Yes.
So you plan on coming back?
Huh?
So you plan on coming back?
No. I would rather live in UK. It's just that city. I'm just saying about city.
Okay.
And in UK as well, I would love to live in London. It's expensive, but we'll manage. We'll manage. If you wanna live your dreams, you have to manage it. That's it. You have to do something. I'm so hungry. No one feed me.
You don't look.
Yes, I was about to say that. Like, no, it's not for the video. No, you said it. Yes, it now. It's a struggle for me to do anything. To do my hair, to do my eyes, to do my.
I guess that's why God made you a man.
I have that. I got that.
Yeah.
It's in the pinky thing. The pink thing, I guess. See it. Yeah, that's it. It's brand new, honey. I bought it for this day only. this way, Jane.
Kuna, stop moving the hair front. I'm brushing it at the back. Don't let it get to the front.
Okay, I'm so
So
sorry.
busy, but it's too much.
Okay, it's really tight, Alex.
Yeah.
It's so tight. Oh my god, I can feel the pressure.
The pressure is getting worse.
Oh my god. I feel so relaxed. I want to sleep. I feel it.
Yes.
Oh yeah, this is the whole part.
The good part.
Oh shit.
Come
Oh,
back to life.
we haven't got a vibrator since.
Yeah.
No, that's too much.
I think that's too much.
That's too much for the YouTube channel. Too much information.
Well, we can go off camera.
It's okay. Have you ever tried vibrator?
Nah.
Same here. I wanna buy one. I guess I'll try.
The vibrator?
Yes.
But then they don't have vibrators for guys.
Yes, they
So
do.
how does it work?
Same way.
You put it on your...
I saw. But yeah, I think. Why are you brushing the whole hair? Why are you taking out the curls?
Don't worry.
So volumize it.
Yeah.
It's too much volume, I guess, for me, no? Oh wow, I
Even
like it.
caparetta. How many boyfriends have you had?
I had 2 boyfriends,
Okay.
and I had, except for that, I had one more guy. I was into him a lot, but it never worked out. And that was my ex-boyfriend's best friend. So before I met my ex-boyfriend, I met that guy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I never knew my boyfriend existed. So yeah, I met that guy, and that's how I got to know they are best friends. And I had to be friends with him after when I was in a relationship with my ex-boyfriend. So I had to be friends with him then. Like, what the fuck? I did not sign up for this. Then they both became my exes. Yeah. My ex-boyfriend was very toxic.
Why are guys like this?
I don't understand. You tell me, Diamond. You have dated more the guys than me, I guess.
Oh, nah.
How many guys have you dated?
3?
3, yeah. So you have dated more guys than me.
Just
And
one different.
yeah, and see, I'm making the same mistake again. So yeah, I'm dating not dating, but I like somebody.
Yes, I know. We like toxic.
Yeah, I think.
Or we just like the broken.
No, so we like the bad boy vibes, I guess. You and me. Let me go down. It's too much bending. My neck is hurting now. Yes. Peace out. I like it. It's looking nice. Thank you, Diamond. I love you.
Love you too.
This is so cute. I like it. I like it so much. At first I also thought it's not gonna look, huh? Yeah, at first I also thought that it's not gonna look that good. But now I think it's looking nice. I like it. It looks so real. Damn click it just. Yes. That's not that good, but that makes sense.
This line is not straight.
Yeah, so you see this should be here.
Look at this.
Actually, yeah, this is not straight.
You see your life.
No, you're taking me too far. You're taking me too far.
You said that.
Yes, I'm saying you're taking it too far.
Okay.
You should take it till here, bring this hair here, and from this part you have to make a tap.
I reckon now.
I should order some food. Do you want to eat something?
Me, I'm ready for Nigerian food yesterday when I was in New York. So yeah.
I bought that.
No.
Yesterday you wanted. Sorry. Yes, I forgot that you went to New York last night.
Guys, if you see boys, fine gas. Oh my god.
That's when she went somewhere and she found boys.
See fine babes with their dresses, their mini skirts, their boobies out, and everybody was looking pink.
Oh, should I order food for tonight? Just imagine if I had work at 9 a.m. I will never do this.
Weight is a choice in the lifestyle.
And plus you are habitual.
Yeah.
Very habitual to do this.
Yeah, I like to look good.
That's
what motivates me.
That's why I did this. I want to look good and different. Oh wow, I love it. Diamond. I wish I had this long hair. I really
Does
do.
your hair not grow?
Huh?
Does your hair not grow?
It's growing, but it's taking time. It's gonna take its time. Plus, I want the volume. My hair is like straight. I don't like straight hair. I like the only thing about me. My hair is straight. I don't like.
Can go for weeks.
That's why I went for a wig.
But yeah. Oh, yeah, though.
You should definitely do this. And you should
Don't
definitely.
drag it too much.
We should definitely do something like this.
Then your hair at the back.
Oh yeah,
The back looks so very well. It's such a like that.
you can see it. Oh sorry, I forgot that you were not done. Oh my god, it's already 5:30.
That's a nine.
Yeah, night. I have to do my makeup as well.
Yeah, I know you want YouTube video.
Today I need patience. I need patience. And then I want to do my photo shoot as well.
Okay, who's gonna do a photo shoot? Kevin?
No. Oh yeah, he can actually. He has a camera. I'm gonna ask him. We have a camera.
So when are you gonna do the shoot?
But you know, if he is gonna do my photo shoot, he's gonna edit the picture.
Yeah.
And I don't like his editing.
I just tell him not to edit it.
I asked him, give me raw pictures. He said, no, I don't like to give raw pictures.
Ah.
Yes. And I asked him 100 times, give me raw pictures, give me raw. He said, no, I'm not giving you raw pictures. I told him, I don't like the editing. He said, oh, I don't care. That's too bad. Maybe I can ask William. He also has a camera.
Oh, that's good.
I got, but yeah.
Or you could tell him to give you the camera and I can take you the pictures.
Yeah, you can take the pictures. Hi. This is Kunal. This is Daisy.
Daisy? Hey, Daisy.
Hi, Daisy. This is Daisy. This is Daisy.
Daisy Kuna.
This is Daisy Kim Kardashian.
Yeah.
And this is too tight. Why is it too tight?
You want to do it, baby. Don't go. No, this is nothing. You need it for him to glue down properly. Otherwise, it feels like you're about to run mad.
What?
Like when it's so tight,
Yeah.
it feels like you're about to run mad, like go
Yeah.
crazy.
Yes, it's so tight.
I know. Well, just be ready.
Not the whole hair, half that.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
Well, yeah, you know, here it's not glued.
So that's why I want. Not the whole hair.
No, like not the whole hair.
Just this part.
Yeah, but you have to take hair from here. You
What?
can't just leave here like this entire hair.
Yep. I'm gonna keep these hair, and I just want to tie this hair. Do you understand? I want this somewhere here, and this can stay in front. Oh my god.
So the hair's gonna be like this.
Show me. I cannot see. And that's too less of hair.
Yeah.
That's too less of hair. A little bit more.
It's because it's in the middle.
And I think so. It's not middle.
Because I'm not taking this.
Oh.
I'm not this now. Better?
But
Are you even looking at it?
one second. Let me see this. Birthday hair in progress.
Yeah, but the
Birthday hair in progress.
progress. Progress.
Guys, the struggle is very fucking real. So tight. This thing is stressing me out.
I haven't said anything yet.
Oh my god, it's oh my god, I'm gonna go crazy with this thing.
Guys, we're back. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
It looks so pretty. Diamond did a really good job. I love my hair. It looks so cute already. Just the look I want for my birthday. She gave it to me. She's the best. That's why I came to her. Baby, you're doing my hair on my birthday. You're the one. Only you're the one who can do it. See?
Okay, guys.
She did it. She did it. We might upload a picture, full picture with the hair and everything in the end. So you can see how did it look in the end. But here's it. Here's the final look. Oh, get this one down. Here's the final look. With no stand up.
You guys, I'm gonna put a band once again.
So it stays.
I'm gonna go get the place decorated. So let them know to continue. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe, like, share, comment.
And do tell us the ideas what you want to see for the next video.